What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. It seems as though YouTube is currently suppressing crypto content, so make sure to come back and check every day for daily updates, as notifications aren't currently being sent out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So it still looks as though we're trading in and around this upwards channel that we've been trading in for some time for XRP. As you can see, we did get a bit of a sell-off yesterday because of the recent correction for Bitcoin that we saw. But it doesn't seem like it's been anything too drastic for XRP, and it's yet to make a potentially a lower low here. We're currently trading all above this 80-cent level-ish, which is good to see. Obviously, we've been moving upwards in this channel for a while, but we haven't actually made a higher high yet inside of this channel. So we're currently, at the minute, seems as though we may be stagnating and going sideways somewhat. There's quite a lot of speculation still about when the lawsuit's going to end. So I think the price action is probably going to chop and change to the side quite a lot until we figure this out. So we may break down below this channel in the short term, maybe keep bouncing off of this 80-cent level, or at least this macro blue trend line that we've outlined here, which is rising all the time. So XRP, not really much to say about it currently. Still trading upwards inside this channel. It's been going pretty much sideways for the past few days. It's been up and down a little bit, but no real super big bits of volatility, because obviously the market in general has had really low volume. There's not really been that much interest in trading from what we can tell. Everyone just seems to be waiting and seeing what's going to happen. Pretty much every single altcoin's been bleeding and Bitcoin's been going sideways. And then yesterday, obviously, with the G7 summit, about looking at climate stuff and potentially crypto stuff. Obviously, we got a big sell-off because it's we're going into the weekend, and obviously everyone's anticipating a bloody Sunday. And if that's the case, the price will probably do the opposite, which is what often happens. But really not that much to say about XRP today, guys. We basically just wanted to say it does look as though XRP is still trading upwards like this. We haven't actually made any lower lows yet. Not really, from what we can see. So we're still trading upwards. We're still bullish on XRP in the long term. One thing that we have been saying today is that you basically just need to be, in our opinion, not financial advice, thinking about the long term much more than the short term. If you're coming into the crypto space trying to get quick gains, it is possible, but you're most likely just going to get wrecked. But we do think if you're buying top quality projects for the long term, you're probably going to do very, very well as a result of that. If you just look at any top quality projects in the last year or so, they've probably done some really nice gains. XRP came up from around 10 or 15 cents, and it's now trading at 81 cents. It did go as high as $2. Bitcoin last year, it went as low as like $3,000 or $4,000, and now it's at 35k, so that's a 10x. Ethereum last year, it was at literally $100 or $200, and now it's at least 2,500, so that's like a 20x, 10 or 20x. Definitely a 10 or 20x to the all-time high of 4k. So you can see where we're going with this. Basically, if you're buying top quality projects, you can't expect them to go up overnight just because they're quality. It does take time for price action to build. Obviously, currently we're in a bearish trend in the market, so things are currently either trading slowly upwards or going sideways. There's quite a lot of altcoins that are currently bleeding against the US dollar because people are taking profits. We're currently stuck below resistance here for XRP, which could drive the price down a bit. But from what we can tell, this is basically just because there's been extremely low volume, and Bitcoin hasn't yet to break above that 40k level, which we do think will be the precursor to the bull market being fully resumed. So we're still super bullish on XRP. We do personally have a large bag of this, and we do believe strongly in the long term that it's going to perform exceptionally well. Obviously, it's got the SEC lawsuit still hanging over it, but it's kind of a blessing in disguise at this point, because if it gets that if we get that settlement or a favorable ruling for XRP, which it does seem more and more likely, considering it doesn't look as though the SEC have any case to stand on whatsoever. And they are bringing in professional lawyers, which are experts in settlements. So in our opinion, a settlement is probably well underway, because it's going to look bad for the SEC and set a bad precedent if they continue to draw this lawsuit out for the future. Obviously, if Ripple get any kind of favorable ruling, basically every single asset that the SEC goes after in the future will point to this ruling and go, yeah, but you said this. So it's going to make things very difficult for the SEC in the long term, the longer they draw this out. So it makes a lot of sense for us, for them, in our opinion, for them to settle. And this does seem very likely. And obviously, if this happens, then, I mean, in our opinion, XRP is going to absolutely explode. It's going to have nothing weighing it down anymore. I mean, it's amazing that it's come this far, considering all of the price action that we've actually seen for XRP. It went all the way to $2 based on the hype alone. And obviously, with retail investors, it could go to $5 or $10 alone, in our opinion, just once the SEC lawsuit's out of the way and it doesn't have this cloud hanging over it. But obviously, the more important thing is all the institutions that can come in. All the big money players that can get in, all the banks and stuff can finally adopt XRP, because obviously there's no more regulations holding them back. And even if there wasn't a favorable ruling for Ripple Labs, the ruling would only be in America, and basically 80% of the business that Ripple Labs does is outside of America. Quite a lot of cross-border payments are done by Santander and HSBC, which are based in other regions. So obviously, even if there wasn't a favorable ruling in the short term, the price would obviously go down a lot if there was an unfavorable ruling based on sentiment. But we do think in the long term, XRP is going to do very well, and we are holding for the long term. We're not just looking for a quick buck, and we do think that this is a strategy which works the best for everyone. So in the short term, it's hard to know. We could potentially break out of this channel to the downside in the short term, depending on what Bitcoin does and the wider market. But if Bitcoin starts to go up again and it breaks through that 40k level, we could be looking at XRP having a nice pump as well. And if that's the case, we could potentially see XRP coming up, maybe making a higher high here and continuing upwards. I think getting back above $1 would be very good for XRP. And considering we're heading upwards in this channel, this would eventually happen anyway. Probably by like the start of next month, we'd be pushing upwards of $1 anyway. But it really does remain to be seen what's going to happen in the wider market. But in the long term, we think XRP's got some of the best adoption and fundamentals in the market, and we do think it's going to do very well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.